Alright folks, so I've got a back cover from an 89 CRX SI, and as you can tell it is broken apart. Looks like it's a very classic kind of rip because there's no hinge or anything, it's just cloth that was connecting these two pieces, and as you can tell they have completely broken apart. Now I could find a new replacement on eBay, and they usually cost under $150, but I want to keep this original one, and I also know that if I get a replacement it's just gonna fall apart again, so I decided to do something different. So what I've done here is I got a piano hinge from Amazon. So this is a piano hinge from Amazon, and I actually want to use it to just kind of basically do this right here. Kind of want to use it to make a hinge for this back cover. The one thing that I need to replace, however, are the screws. So because it's a piano hinge, it came with wood screws, and I don't want to use wood screws to just kind of screw into you know, this, whatever this is, cardboard or masonite, because that's just going to fall apart and it's just going to eat through that material. So I'm going to actually use nuts and bolts. As you can tell, the piano hinge is almost the same entire width of this cover, so that's actually something that I like. I've noticed people just put kind of regular hinges in there, and it doesn't look as clean. I think I'm going to like this kind of clean look of this piano hinge. I do want to do something about this, you know, clean that up just a little bit, so I need to find the right bolts. So I think I found the right bolt. This bolt fits into these holes. It's got a nut that's covered here, so there's no risk of scratching anything underneath. And what I think is going to happen is, I'm just going to undo this with one hand. So give me a minute. I'm going to put this through here, and I'm gonna drill a hole, and I'm just gonna bolt it on the other side with that. But my one concern is that I don't want to buy, I don't know how many holes there are here, like 36, something like that. I don't want to buy 36 or so of these nuts and bolts. This at the hardware store is like $1.25 over here in San Francisco, so I need to find kind of a less expensive substitute, and I will probably not drill 36 holes. I'll probably maybe do offset every other set, and I think that's more than enough to make this sturdy. But I need to find, first of all, enough of these bolts at a good price, enough of these nuts at a good price, and enough of these bolts at a good price.